Hello learners, good morning to you. I am Shamsuzzaman Khan, lecturer in English, Shahid Nur Ali College, Kaliganj, Zinaida. In the previous class, I told you something about pronouns, different types of pronouns, personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, uh, reciprocal pronouns, distributive pronouns, and so on. And you have understood the pronouns, I think. And today I would like to give you an example how these pronouns are said as question number 8 in your exam. How questions are said in the exam? As I told you before, it is said usually said as the question number 8. It may be changed as it may be as said as the question number 9 or 6 or anything else. It does not matter. 12 items of questions are said in the exam, and pronoun reference is one of them. And you have to correct the incorrect pronouns, and you have to clarify the unclear pronounces. You have to do two types of jobs in your exam. One is you have to correct the incorrect pronouns, or you have to clarify the unclear pronounces. I told these things in the previous class on this topic. So look at the whiteboard. Now I am giving you an example. A cook wants roasted a duck for its master. He looked so delicious that he could not resist the temptation. And ate up one of the drum drumsticks. When he sat down to eat the meal, he quickly So now look at the whiteboard. A cook once roasted a duck for its master. You know, its is a possessive which is used for a thing or object, but here we look two persons, a cook and a master. So this its cannot be used for a person. You should use for his master. Have you understood this point? So you should write this thing again with the correct prepositions, pronouns. So this is a mistake, and you should write it. A cook once roasted a duck for his master. The correct pronoun will be his. He looked so delicious that, you know, a man cannot be delicious. Delicious is used for tasty food. So this is an incorrect use of pronoun. He should be changed. The roast looks so delicious that. So you should use the correct pronoun, the roast. The roast looked so delicious that he could not resist the temptation. The roast looked so delicious that he could not resist. He means, what does he means? Two male persons, so he may mean the master or a cook or the cook. So here the roast looked so delicious that the cook cannot resist the temptation, cannot resist his temptation. So the cook should be used. The cook should be used, could not resist the temptation and ate up one of the drumsticks. When he sat down to eat the meal. Not meal, it is meal. When he sat down to eat the meal. Who sat down to eat? The master. So this pronoun will be clarified if we write the master. When the master sat down to eat the meal, he quickly noticed the missing leg. In this way, you should try to clarify the unclear pronounces. The unclear pronouns. I would rather say pronouns, not pronounces. I have given you an example. I have cited an example for you, and in this way, you should write the given passage again, correcting the unclear pronounces, clarifying the unclear pronouns, or correcting the incorrect use of pronouns. So thank you very much. No more today. Our next item of grammar will be on connectors. It is usually said as question number 10. So you should read the connectors at home. Thank you very much. No more today.